How to enable or disable Gmail nudges such as emails to reply to on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. On the home screen or in the app screen, tap on the Google folder. Then tap on Gmail. In Gmail, tap on the menu key at the top. Then go down and tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on the Gmail account that you are using. And then go down and tap on Nudges. So tap on Replied and follow up in Nudges. And in here, tap on Suggest emails to reply to. So tap on this checkbox to turn it on or turn it off. If it is turned on, then emails you might have forgotten to respond to will appear at the top of your inbox. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your inbox. Or you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.